Good morning, YouTube. Your old buddy Catfish Charlie here. Wait a minute, no, Jerry ain't live. Are the pit vipers still in style? It's the only pair I have in here of sunglasses, so I don't want to be looking like cliche. I don't even know if pits are still in style or fashion, or I mean, they work. I'm gonna keep them. But anyway, guys, so which one of you guys was like, man, when he does his before work videos, he's gonna be in his backup black Jeep? Because if you guessed it, you were right. I just need to hook up a couple of wires and adjust the voltage on the blue one with that big AGM that I have in there. I got my C-Max in the house, and somebody was asking how you store a C-Max like that. I literally took it into my den and put it on a table, and every once in a while I'll hit the button on the battery monitor and see where the voltage is at, and you know, it's staying at like 15.6. I guess if it gets too low, I'll hook the old little power supply up to it and top it off, but it's doing great. Anyway, guys, I seem to be getting quite a few people watching my videos of the teardown, and I'm sorry yesterday's video was so long and so boring, but my arms don't feel bad today. But God, I just sit there and worked overhead so much, guys. That was a big job. I mean, it needed to be done. You know, I called my buddy Billy. I'm gonna try to take the Jeep out to his house Sunday, and his neighbor does windshield, so he's gonna pull the windshield out for me. So me and Billy can get in there and you know, start fixing things. Really, that's all I got going on with it. I did call and get a price on wood. My buddy Josh has got some wood that he told me I can grab. He's only got 10 sheets right now. I mean, that's a good starter, you know. He said he's got some other wood that I might not like, but I might grab a few sheets of that and put it underneath the birch. I mean, he actually has got some birch. He gave me a pretty good price on, actually a really good price. But I think at that price, you know, I got to drive like an hour and 10 minutes to pick it up. Fairly good price. I'm probably gonna have to give him a handy J. I'm not even sure, man. It's I'm joking, but anyway, I do have a lead on some wood at a fair price. God, there's just so much stuff, man. When you do a build like this, there's a lot that goes into it. And I'm gonna have to do something that I don't normally do, which I'm pretty sure my buddy Billy's gonna come over and help me with a lot of this build. But you know, normally I just build a square, just a square. But I'm going outside of the wheel wells, and I'm gonna come so far here that the roof's gonna be up here, and I'm gonna have to do a 45 right here. I don't have a table saw, and I really literally just learned how to do good cuts with a handsaw. So that's going to be a new one for me, you know, like kicking the blade over and trying to do a cut, and there's going to be so much PL3X in there filling gaps. But anyway, that's kind of where I'm at. Is I got a lot going on, and there's this repair after repair after repair. And I've had that Jeep together so long that it's literally like a wiring nightmare, guys. When I took everything off of the sides of the enclosure, I kind of just like let the wires hang out toward the ground. And God, the passenger side, you know, there's like 9 relays there. I'm not even sure what they all go to. I know they all go to something, but there's just like 9 relays laying over there. And I'm just like, wow. You know, it's like fan relays. LED light relays, voltmeter relays, door lock relays that work through the alarm, voltage regulator relays. It just like all kind of crap. I really should have labeled them wires, but it's like, you know, I would add something and just kind of run the wires to it, and I knew what the wires went to on the relay and out of the relay, and it's like next thing I know, bam, I have no idea what anything goes to at all. But we're getting there, guys. I'm getting there. It's going to be a long build, long process. And I'm just glad that you guys are actually watching it and getting into it, because most of my videos are me sitting here doing this, you know. And I get a lot of the same reoccurring questions over and over again on subjects I've done videos on. But I wonder what Rusticals is doing today. You know, last time I asked that about EXO, lo and behold, he put a video out taking subwoofers out of his van and putting them on a shelf. I mean, I know he ain't been working on his build and he's been doing all the house stuff. I get that. And that's why he ain't been doing a lot of videos. But Doug at Soundman, I get tired of watching him doing dash mods. I don't even watch them videos of him doing dash mods. I mean, the first like 10 were cool, but they get really repetitive. But Rusticals, I have been bored to death music-wise since that dude got in a wreck and ain't been making any music. And it's like Nicole, or DJ Siren, she hasn't really been releasing a lot. And yesterday, the whole internet just kind of blew up with these douches from that rebassers.com, which I kind of find funny, you know, because it was like over a month ago that I made videos talking about them guys stealing people's music that they edit and just releasing it as their own and refusing to take it down. And they said that they wasn't doing that. And then they had their little patsies, you know, like Baham Bang and all these other dudes get on here and say that it wasn't like that they wasn't putting people's music up and without their permission or whatever. And now people are screenshotting, putting it up like, here's all the Rusticals music free, even the new limited edition USB. So it really makes all the people that jump to these punks' defense like look like schoolgirls or something when they said I was lying. But I think the biggest punk out of all these dudes is Scott Butler. I don't know. But it is what it is. I'm just saying, I miss the music, guys. You know, it's like there was only something fresh to listen to, because Rusticals would put out like a track or two a day. And it's been months and there's been nothing new come out. And I don't know, I have the app, you know, and there's a lot of songs I've never heard on the app, but I really like digging through his fan page when he releases a song. You know, you get a little sample of it. I like going on there and clicking the sample and listening to it. I can't do that now. Poor Russ. Oh. But, you know, I told y'all I did that video about it, and that was before his wreck, you know, and it's gotten bad. It has. I mean, Rusticals and Siren do the best music out there. I know other people jump up and are like, oh, their music ain't that good. They actually do like the best, cleanest music out there. And right now, they're both just kind of like sitting there doing nothing music-wise, and I miss it. But anyway, guys, this is a short video today. Actually, I haven't even turned the sub on in this thing yet this morning. But I do have a little bass in here to help me to keep from going crazy. No, it won't make my beard move. It ain't that loud in here. But anyway, I will be working on the Jeep. I'll be doing, you know, build videos as I go. I didn't get a whole lot of the tear out footage. I mean, I did steps along the way, but I'm just thankful everything come out as easy as it did. The cleanup on that front half of the roof about killed me. The back section won't be that bad. I'm basically just gonna knock the big chunks of stuff that's on there down, and I'm gonna roll with it. It don't need to be super clean because the PO is only gonna hold the edges anyway. There won't be anything sticking really in the middle. So just basically around the edges, and then I'm gonna drill holes through the wood and fill with spray foam. That'll definitely help hold it up until we get the sides and 45s in, which is gonna be a whole, like I said, I don't even know how to do that. I mean, I know how to do it, but I'm not good at like stuff like that, I guess. That's why I got Billy to help me. But anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching this crap, man. I appreciate all you guys. The people that are on my Patreon, I really appreciate you guys as well. And that's why, you know, I tried to throw little snippets up for you guys before I actually did the video and made everything public. And I'm going to continue doing that. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. Everybody, please give a like, a subscribe, whatever. It's all good. I need all the help I can get. Thank you guys. Peace out. And as always, bass on.